a lovely session of chocolate chip cookies. Hi, hello, welcome. Welcome to Dosa Recipes. I am Custard. These chocolate chip cookies are going to be really so nice. It's going to be a butter biscuit, and within you are going to have a lot of chocolate chips into it. So let's do this simple yet tasty chocolate chip cookies. This chocolate chip cookies is going to be a lovely dish, and it just needs some concentration in the procedure and the measurements. So always first let's cream the butter and powdered sugar together so that you get a nice creamy texture. This is going to enhance the flavor and the texture of the cookies. So let's put this butter and sugar together. 60 grams of butter, 60 grams of sugar. Just first mix them well before using any whipper. Now just beat it for 5 minutes with your ladles or your whipper blades. Now add milk to this. Now add the custard powder to this, 2 tablespoons. Now let's add the all-purpose flour or Maida to this. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now here I am adding the chocolate chips. You can either use these chips or you can buy a big chocolate and then just make it into small pieces and add them to this. So let's knead it with a hand. There is a small portion of butter which is excess in this, like we have added 60 grams of butter. So what is going to happen is they are going to melt quickly. So to stop that, we are going to leave them into the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes or 15-20 minutes. Like you will feel it is slightly thickened. After that we can bake them. I am making small balls out of it. Now let's leave it into the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Now let's preheat our OTG ovens. It should be in 180 degrees centigrade or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So I am having a baking tray and a parchment sheet on top of it. Now after leaving it in the refrigerator, the dough has firmed up. They have become very firm. So you can just shape it up nicely and then leave it like this. And now they will slowly melt on the sides and they will get baked. Now let us leave it into the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, so they are cracky and looking very nice. Leave it to cool for at least 15-20 minutes so they become little more stiffer and then they become crispy also. So now let's leave it for 20 minutes. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making the lovely yummy chocolate chip cookies. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Recipes is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Recipes, and for your printable recipes visit dosarecipes.com. Thank you and bye-bye.